Here's my vet review of the viral Peapod Skin Spray. Nung nakita ko to sa mga online shops, ang dami niyang claims, to be honest, para sa mga skin problems ng inyong mga alaga. Mapaaso or pusa. Sabi it can relieve daw yung itching, hair loss, redness, allergies, and eczema. Pero unahin muna natin ang ingredients niya. Sa mga ads online, makikita nyo ang showcase nila is itong mga herbal ingredient. But if you purchase the item, ito yung nakasulat sa likod ng bottle. Ang nakasaad sa likod, it's formulated with nanosilver or colloidal silver and various plant extracts which helps to support skin health. And sa ingredients list niya, nangunguna ang colloidal silver. Tapos sumunod yung mga plants or yung mga herbal ingredients. First of all, if nauuna ang ingredient na colloidal silver, ibig sabihin most of it, ito yung laman. So technically, itong product na to, hindi siya organic talaga. This study, it shows the health impact of silver nanoparticles and ito ay review ng toxicity sa following routes of exposure mapa skin, oral, inhalation, instillation, and even intravenous. Nagkaroon ng difficulty para matanggal sa brain and sa testes ang silver particles na ito. Since matagal ito mag-persist sa mga organs na to, it enhances or it increases the toxicity of it sa katawan ng person. So meaning, nananatili ito sa mga organs na yon at hindi na i-eliminate totally ng katawan ng tao. Ang nakakabahala pa dito, via different routes of exposure like inhalation or kaya yung oral and also dermal or sa skin and intravenous, may napansin sila na consistent na silver translocation to transfer yung silver from one place to another. And ang nakakabahala pa dito is accumulation or ibig sabihin na nanatili sa certain organs yung silver particles. And again, nagkakaroon ng toxicity sa various organs which may affect yung organs ng tao or kung sino man ma-expose dito in the long run, kahit hayop lalo. Take note nyo rin, ang US Food and Drug Administration or FDA has warned that colloidal silver isn't safe or effective for treating any disease or condition. And ayon din sa Mayo Clinic, ang US Food and Drug Administration ay against sa colloidal silver kasi marami siyang unproven health claims. Although it's not yet clear on how much colloidal silver you can take before it may be harmful, pero ang clear dito sa studies na nakita natin is it can build up sa body tissues over the years and months. Magiging smurf kayo or kung sino man ma-expose dito sa colloidal silver. Ang argyria is a dermatologic condition that is acquired by exposure to or ingestion of silver. It presents in the insidious onset of gray or blue discoloration sa buong katawan. FDA here in the Philippines, ang nanosilver colloidal is not registered. So would I recommend this? No. Lalo na viral siya and alam ko maraming may dogs and cats ang may problema sa skin. Sa dami niyang claims, since yun nga yung number one ingredient niya, it's risky to give this to your pets. There are actually far better brands that have safer ingredients besides this. Oo nga, mura siya, pero health naman ng alaga mo ang nakataya. So with that, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.